Hi, my name is Seun. Thank you for coming. I really appreciate it. I'm so glad for having you here today. And if you're new on this channel, this channel is all about how to make money online, tools that can help your business online, and how to create websites, how to run a digital marketing business. So if you're new, I just want to say thank you for clicking on this video. I really appreciate it. Now let's go to the topic I have before you today, which is how to make money on Fiverr without a skill. I mean, a lot of people want to make money, but the problem is they don't have a skill. But today I'm going to be showing you how to make money on Fiverr without having a skill. So if you want to make money on Fiverr, just do what? Drop a comment in the comment section and say let's make Fiverr money. So I'm waiting for your comments on that section. Just drop the comments in that section and say let's make Fiverr money. So let's go straight to the channel, and if you are new, you know what, you want to click on that subscribe button like this, then click on the bell and click all for notification, because it's very important so that you will know whenever I'm dropping the next video. Alright, see, I have a lot of video on how to make money online, tools that can help your business, best free graphics, how to do graphics online, how to make money, how to set up Fiverr, how to set up your YouTube TV, how to set up your WhatsApp TV, and how to create WhatsApp shop where people can see all of those things. I've done all of those things for you. All these videos are made for you. So without wasting much of your time, let's go to the topic of today. Today I'm going to be showing you the website you're going to be making use of to set up, to do the service and take it back to Fiverr. And also, if you want to know all of this, I want you to stick to the end of this video. Alright, let's go straight to the website I'm going to show you, which is I know some people are waiting for that website. I know that's what you're waiting for, but let's go straight to Fiverr. First, let's do some recalculation here. Now let's see transcribing. Let's search for transcribing. You will see a lot of people are making money from these. Turn your video to turn audio, or turn audio to a written text. A lot of people are making money from this thing. So this is transcribing. I will transcribe audio and do video transcription. I will transcribe 60-minute videos or do audio transcriptions in 24 hours. I will be your transcriber, audio and video transcription service. This is a lot. People are making a lot of money with this skill on Fiverr. If you don't know what Fiverr is a platform where people go to order for a service, or some other people go there to place their service. But what I'm going to be showing you is how you can I've done a video on how you can also create Fiverr account. I'll leave the link in the description box, so you may want to check it out on how to, if you're just starting out as a freelancer. You want to check that video on how to create account on Fiverr. So once you have an account on Fiverr, the next thing you want to do, what is the gig you want to be offering? Gig you want to be offering, like what are you going to be selling? What service do you want to be selling to people? Now, a lot of people that does not have skill want to start something on Fiverr, but the challenge is that they don't have any skill. But today I'm going to be showing you what you do, the skill you're going to put on Fiverr. You're going to do like this, transcribing. You're going to be transcribing for people, and you are not going to be the one that will do it. So stick around to the end of this video. You don't want to rush anywhere. So let's go straight. So let's see if this guy, I will transcribe your audios, transcribe video and transcription. So let's see, this guy has done 13. Let's do the calculation. 13 jobs, man. 13, and he's charging per job $5. Let's say 13 times $5. How much is that? That's 65 times in Nigeria money. I think dollar is now 4. So let's times it 4 0.55. That's in dollar. This guy made over 29,000 naira. I mean, this is money. So let's check this guy. Oh wow, this one has done 1,000 plus series. I mean, just transcribing for people. Let's see that. Let's just say 1,000 times 5 is equal to 5,000 times 455. If I'm right, this guy made over 2.2 million just transcribing for people. So let's go straight. Let me show you how to do the job without having to disturb your brain, disturb your head on that. So I'm going to be showing you how you can actually do that. So don't go away. If you are new on this channel or you've not smashed that button, I want you to click on that subscribe button now, so that you'll be part of the family, and also click on the bell so that you will know whenever I'm dropping the next video. All right, and let's drop your comments in the comment section. Just say let's make the Fiverr money, and if you have any other comments, just drop your comments. If you have any question for me, I'm ready to answer all your questions. I always answer all questions, so drop the comment below. Just say let's make that Fiverr money. Okay, now let's go to the site. I want to show you. Here we are. So the name of the site is 𝐃𝐈𝐆𝐈𝐓𝐀𝐃.com, 𝐃𝐈.com, TEMI.com, TEMI.com. You can give it a try. You can check it out how it works. Now, what are you going to be doing here? It's very simple. What you actually going to be doing here is once you put your gig on Fiverr. Gig on Fiverr means your service, what you're rendering. You're gonna put it on Fiverr. Oh, I'm gonna do will transcribe your audio. I mean, just put it like that. I will transcribe your audio. And one of the things you need to know about Fiverr is your thumbnail is very important. If your thumbnail is not good, nobody will click on your gig. No, if you check all this thumbnail, which one will you prefer to click on? You click on one that is more, look good, more catchy, a lot like that. So that's one of the things you want to consider. Like this guy, you can see this lady. There's a lady raising her hand, and it's cool. It's cool, man. It's cool. So you may want to do something, and if you check it well, let me go back there. The color is different from every other person. A color is different from every other person. So you want to check your color, you want to check your thumbnail, and let's go straight to how you can actually do that. Now, if you create a gig on Fiverr and tell Fiverr, oh, I'm going to do a transcribing job for you. Now, once you get an order, what you just want to do, you want to head over to this 𝐃𝐈.com and select a video or your audio. Select that audio that you want to transcribe, that you want to change to a written text. Select that audio. Let me see if I have an audio here or a video here. I wish I do. So it will be very better if I have one. Okay. Let me check my download folder so that I can check if I do have how to get. Okay, Holy Spirit. Let me do this one. Holy Spirit, the rule of Holy Spirit. So you click on that file you want to upload to this site. Once you do that, you will see the progressing bar going and to go to the end. Once you get to the end, then we're going to send you an email. I'm going to send you email, or they're going to request for your email where you want to receive your job. I mean, it's cool. So take it here, bring the job here, and take it back to Fiverr here. So I've done a video on how to create a gig on Fiverr. I'll drop the link on the description section too. So if you don't have a Fiverr account I'm gonna drop the link where you're gonna register as a new person, or so that you will start making money on Fiverr. All right. So I'm still going there. So if you are still new, or you've not clicked, or you're a return friend and you've not clicked on that subscribe button, you know what? Click it now, because you need to click it so that you will know whenever I'm dropping a latest video like this, some awesome video like this that can fetch you money on Fiverr. I'm getting a lot of messages on my gig. If I'm gonna show you, I'm getting a lot of messages every single day. Every single day I'm getting messages. Can you help us to do this? And can you help us do that? I'm getting messages. I just go for a while. I stopped I paused my Fiverr, because for a reason I have to pause, because I was so busy with a lot of things, so I couldn't do so much, so I have to pause it. So alright guys, so just wanna do that, and then once you click on that one, you wanna allow it to upload. Then okay, good. Is your audio clear? You can proceed anywhere. Enter your email. So I'm gonna enter my email right away. Right, sent. They're gonna send me that in my email. Okay guys, I know you're wondering, this is quite simple. I know that is what is going on in your mind, that this is quite simple. I know it's quite simple, and it's quite simple, so that is why you need to do it. That is why you need not to waste any time. No time to be wasted. Don't waste the time. Time is money. So okay. All right. So still waiting for their email. Okay, I'm expecting the email to land. Okay, it's happening today. Is it this? No, not this. Okay, Tammy, welcome to Tammy. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is, in just a few minutes, you will receive another email with your transcripts. Alright, in just a few minutes, I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. Okay, I'm waiting. Okay, I'm waiting. Alright. Some fresh. Okay, here we are. Your order is ready. Okay, free. Then view transcript. Let's go check it out. So if you are new, or you are a friend, you have not clicked on that subscribe button, you know what, you want to smash that button right away, and also click on the bell so that you will know whenever I'm dropping my new video. I drop video every day, so you want to do what? You want to click on that stuff so that you will know whenever I'm dropping the next video. Please enter a password 8 characters long and not commonly used. So let's see. Okay, alright, let me just do that. Not commonly used. Let's go. Save. Okay, we have my content here. See, I have the audio that I uploaded. I have it here. All you just need to do is copy and paste it. You copy your audio, you copy everything here. Okay, the journey so far. Copy it and put in your Word document. You want to open Word file. New file. Then you want to know, paste your word here. Then all you just need to do, you want to do few editing if it's necessary. So, but if it's not necessary, you want to go straight and give the owner the job. This is sweet. you you have not done anything. Just you uploaded the video, either the video or the audio. You uploaded the video or the audio, and you put in your email, and they get it done for you. That's all you need to do. Guys, this is crazy. I mean, guys, this is an awesome way to make money on Fiverr. You don't need to do much. So if you're new on this channel and you will like such content, I mean content like this, you want to do what, just drop a comment in the comment section. Tell me I will want more of this video, and do what, just click, you also drop a comment like, oh, let's make that Fiverr money. And do what for me, do like this content, please. If you like this content, give it a thumb up, then also comment and also subscribe, because it's very important. Destroy the subscribe button, smash the subscribe button, just do anything you like to that subscribe button, and click on the bell, notification bell, so you will know whenever I'm dropping the next video. Oh guys, today that will be the end of this video today, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.